Hey guys, what's up? It's Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create really quick and easy, soft, natural looking waves. I typically have my hair curled, and that's because I really like the way it looks. It gives my hair a little bit more body and texture because my hair naturally is super fine and just kind of limp. It doesn't do much, so I like to curl it, and I found a way to do it where it gives you really natural looking waves. This is a perfect style for this summer because it's so easy for days when you just don't have a lot of time to spend on your hair when you're rushing off to school or work or whatever. This is my little quick and easy wavy hair hack. So we're gonna transform my straight flat hair into something like this using just a few steps, and I'm working with Kroger today to show you how I create this look. We're gonna start with damp hair, focusing on the midsections and ends, and I'm using the John Frieda Frizz Ease Air Dry Waves styling foam, which I got from my local Kroger. You guys can find it at your local Kroger Company family of stores as well. And I'm gonna work about 2 pumps of the product through my damp hair with my fingers. Make sure to evenly distribute the product into your hair. For this part, you really don't want your hair to be dripping wet because it'll take forever for it to dry. So you can even just brush through your hair with a wet comb. Now we're gonna take a stretchy headband, and this is the most important piece to the look. It's what's gonna give you the curls or waves. Place that on the top of your head like a crown. This doesn't have to look cute. The cute part will come later. Then we're just taking small sections of damp hair and we're twisting it around the headband. You can do small or thick sections depending on how loose or tight you want your waves to look. I'm doing pretty small sections, so this will look more like curls rather than waves, or you can do both to give it a more natural look. And you want to make sure you twist your section of hair all the way around to the ends. This doesn't have to look or be neat because we just want to make sure the hair is securely twisted around the headband, so we don't really care about how it looks right now. And I'm just going to repeat this all the way around my head in sections until I have it all twisted around the headband, and I'm just going to speed this part up because it's pretty self-explanatory. Also, I want to mention you want to use a headband that's about 1 inch thick. You can do thicker if you want looser or bigger waves, or depending on how thick or thin and long or short your hair is. This part doesn't really take a whole lot of time to do, and at the end you'll have something that looks like this. I feel like I look like a milkmaid, but now you can go on with your morning routine and just let the hair dry on its own, which is why I mentioned you don't want your hair to be too wet because that'll take it forever to dry. But this will give you just some time to do your makeup and get changed or eat breakfast and get your homework together or whatever it is. And if you want or need to speed up the process, you can always use a blow dryer, and you just want to make sure you really get into the twisted sections of the hair. You can see how I'm using my fingers to really get in there. You just want to make sure it's really dried through because it is twisted around. So even if it feels dry around the outside, you want to make sure you kind of loosen up the sections with your fingers so that the hair around the headband is actually dry. And then all you have to do is remove the headband, and don't be alarmed by the curls. We're going to loosen them up and just run our fingers through it and then take a brush to really brush them out. And afterwards you can even zhuzh it up just a little bit by using your fingers and your blow dryer, again just to define those curls or waves. Also, if you really don't have time to do this to your hair the morning of, you can definitely do it the night before using the same steps, and you can sleep on it. Now I'm just going to finish off the look with a finishing spray. This is from Tresemme. It's the Beautiful Volume Flexible Finish Hairspray, and I'm going to use it to lock in these curls all over, and this will keep your hair soft and bouncy, but it still holds the style throughout the day. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you give this little hair hack a try, I would love to see your results. And what's really cool about this look is as the day goes on, these waves will really soften up, and you can even sleep on it and it'll still look good the next day. So that'll definitely save you some time. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!